Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to make a very special sweet dish for you. This is brown roasted chickpeas flour that we're going to use. It's called Besan. Now, I will explain you how we're going to make it and what we're going to use in this. What we got here is 2 kilogram, give and take, condensed milk. So it's what we've done is we've taken 8 kilogram of fresh milk and boiled it by stirring it, keep an eye on it, and then all the solids are left now. This is 2 kilograms. It's a very long-winded work, and it does require concentration. We'll show you how to make that in due course. What we got here is 2 kilogram of brown chickpeas of flour. So what are these chickpeas? These are roasted chickpeas. It's called banahua chickpeas with shells. So we've taken the ready-made, the banahua, the roasted chickpeas with shells, and we ground them. And why are we using shelled chickpeas? Because they are the best taste. So 2 kilogram of that. 1 kilogram of almonds. We ground them as well by using a home blender. So what we've done is we've taken 1 kilogram of almonds and make them into sort of a floury texture. Not too fine though. So there you go. And also we have got 2 kilogram of sugar, which we're going to use for all this. And also we have got clarified butter, which we've taken normal butter and then slowly heating it and melting it so that all the curd and everything becomes settled on the bottom, so you can pick up your pure clear ghee from the top of it and use that. That's going to be 2 kilograms. So 2 kilograms, 2 kilograms, 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram, and clarified butter 2 kilogram. So that's going to be about 9 kilogram of this final produced stuff. This is called Besan. It's one of the delicacy. It is exclusive to us because of this condensed milk that we're using is totally exclusive. It is a buffalo milk. It's not a cow milk. Buffalo milk produces much better taste. So this is why we're using this. Okay, let us show you how to make this. Step 1, ladies and gentlemen, we've taken 1 liter of water, placed it into the big pan here, cooking pan, and bring it to boiling point and add 2 kilogram of sugar in here and lit the fire. We're gonna make this syrup ready for all the stuff here. So the syrup is tested. You boil it and then test the drop. If the drop is sticking, your syrup is ready. You boil it until it produces that sort of concentration. Here it is, the hot boiling syrup is ready. It's been boiling for a good couple of minutes. We didn't put excessive water in here because if you do, it'll take longer to become concentrated. So the syrup is ready. What we're going to do is start adding a clarified butter, which is a ghee in here, and it's going to keep on boiling. Okay, we're going to just start adding ghee in here now. The clarified butter. There you go. Add little by little. It's about 2 kilograms. That's what we're going to add here. And boiling will continue. It's on full flame. Medium high. Not too high, but medium high. There you go. Okay, what we've done here is added the 2 kilogram of clarified butter in here, which is a clear ghee, very hot, and keep the flame on, keep stirring it. And once we finish adding the ghee in here, the melted butter, we just started adding the condensed milk. Now that condensed milk is, as we told you, about 2.5 kilogram, 2 to 2.5 kilogram. We're going to be adding here and then keep stirring it. It looks fine. It's going to be amazing. As you can see, we finish adding the condensed milk in here, the solidified milk. And we kept stirring and kept the heat to a medium high, and we've done it for about 2-3 minutes, and we just started adding the gram flour, the roasted grams, which we shown you, which we turned that into flour, and we adding that slowly, just like that, and then keep stirring it, just like that. It's turning out beautiful. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what we done is we added that ground flour here, and keep stirring. We added all that ground flour, and now we just adding the almond flour. The almonds that I've shown you is ground almonds. There you go, and it's almost ready. Beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we just removed the whole pot from the fire, and we're mixing it well. So this is a special condensed milk, solidified milk, along with the chickpeas flour. This is a special sweet dish. It goes a long way. Nothing will go bad. You keep it on your tabletop for weeks and weeks, nothing will happen to it. It will not mold. Its taste is beautiful. Now what we're going to do, let it set. We're going to take it out, put it in few dishes, and you can make round balls, you can make few different shapes out of it, just like cookies, you name it. Here is the final product, ladies and gentlemen. The evaporated condensed or solidified milk, along with the chickpeas sweet dish, chickpeas flour sweet dish. It's called Besan, but obviously we've added the solidified milk in here, which was solidified buffalo milk, which is a much better taste and whiter when you make any sort of type of Khoa, which is by condensing the milk down. This besan actually is made in two types commonly. One most commonly used is that you don't use any milk in it, and it is widely available on the Asian sweet shops. But this is we made it exclusive, which is not readily available. This sort of recipe of the besan with the condensed or a solidified milk. What we've shown you is step by step how to make this. Now, one thing I like to tell you is that we kept it not this final product being dried up. It's not hard. It's a soft one. You can easily press it with the thumb, or a finger. Why we kept it soft? Because prefer it that way. It's easily edible, and it tastes better, in my opinion. But you can make it hard as well. All the difference is that you use less water when you are in preparation of the sugar syrup. If you have added extra water, what you can do is dry it out by slowly boiling it before you place the other stuff in it. We made it into two types. Once we mixed it well, which we shown you in the previous clip, we let it cool down for a few minutes, but don't let it set. And then we quickly transferred it, half of it to the tray, which we then let it dry, completely go cold, and we then cut it. And the other half is we used in the round balls, which is another sort of a good looking delicacy, which you can leave it in the tray if you wish, or cut it in the pieces and store it in the fridge or outside. It's entirely up to you. It's been cooked well, so nothing will happen to it for a good few months. It will not go bad. Fridge will lengthen its life, but nothing will happen on the shelf. Obviously, it's got to be covered well. There you go. This is the final product. I hope you have liked our this exclusive recipe. What I like to make a request is that you share it with others across the net, and also share our channel with others across the net, and press on the bell icon, and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.